Andrea with Whale Done Sprinklers Irrigation. As you can see down here, there's two pipes in this area. We're so close to each other, and it makes it very difficult to actually work whenever you have a leak or anything like that. So what we did for this client is we helped them out, and we just went out and extended it just a little bit to the left side, so that way if something like this ever happens again, we're able to work around it with no problem. And another thing that I wanted to kind of also show is that this is the pipe that we pulled out from the little hole. So you can see it's right here. So that's where all the water was shooting out from. However, you can see how thin the inside, the circumference of this pipe is versus what we are actually installing. So you can see how thick this is versus this. So it's always better to make sure that whoever comes out has good material and lasts a very long time. So if you find yourself with a leak or something like that, let us come out, let us help you out. That way you don't have any problems whenever you have a leak. Again, this is Andrea with Whale Done Sprinklers Irrigation.